So how are you feeling right now?
A little nervous, can you tell?
Writing my personal experiences helped me overcome my very own traumas.
The measurements that you deal with become so small that it is challenging to even distinguish them from the environment noise.
Try as we might, we can't always protect our children, but we can certainly be there to catch them when they fall.
Something as simple as gender can vastly change the outcomes of sentencing, rehabilitation, and treatment.
I actually thought it was just such a great opportunity to learn how to communicate your research to a layperson audience. The main goal of research is to disseminate it.